Hello everyone, welcome to the EasyEDA tutorial. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to quickly display pin numbers for components in an EasyEDA schematic. When designing or debugging a circuit, being able to clearly see each component's pin number can be extremely helpful. It allows us to make accurate connections, check circuits more easily, and even troubleshoot more efficiently later on. That's why it's important to master this quick method for showing pin numbers. The operation is quite simple. First, select target components, then the filter panel on the right. Uncheck all options and keep only pin checked. This will filter out only the pin-related items. Next, go to the property panel on the right, find the pin number option, and check it. Once you do that, all the pin numbers for the components in your schematic will instantly appear. In short, this feature helps us view pin information more clearly, making the circuit design and debugging process much more efficient and accurate.